Beds 1, 2, and 3 are growing baby melons, kale, basil, fennel, marigold as protecting plants to keep aphids away from most of the other plants. Peas. The lower parts stopped producing already, but there's still flowers going. Flowers are a sign of continued fruiting of the plant. Number 2 has onions, basil, cowpeas. They all should have mint also in the middle. That's another protectorant. And then they have sunflowers at the back of each of the beds. Number 3 has edamame, kale, mint, cilantro, which is bolting, but they can still produce some leaves. Different mints. The melon flowers are edible, like the pumpkin flowers and squash flowers. We cover the fruits with these bags to protect the growing fruit from falling and crushing. We do the same with the apple trees, pear trees, peach trees. Also protects them from birds.